Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add the calculator app on your lock screen for your Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you want to have quick access to your calculator through the lock screen, then let me show you how to do this. So first, go ahead and long press on your home screen, tap on wallpaper and style, then tap on the lock screen. Now here you can go ahead and add it the bottom left or bottom right. We'll go ahead and add it to the bottom left. From this action menu, scroll down until you see apps. From this apps, you want to find calculator. Tap on this. And now a calculator has been added, so you can go ahead and tap on done, press home. Now when you lock your screen and you wake it up, you'll see the calculator. To use it, just go ahead and drag it to the top or to the center. And now you can go ahead and use your calculator. So there you go guys, that is how to add the calculator shortcut to your Samsung S25 Ultra lock screen.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.